Good morning. This is your Karthik Balaraman. Today we are going to see how to pass credit purchase journal entry. Okay. Questions you can see there. Purchase of goods from Mr. Ganesh on credit rupees 25,000. I will repeat the question. Purchase of goods from Mr. Ganesh on credit rupees 25,000. Now we will see the journal entry of this transaction. The journal entry is debit purchase account rupees 25,000 and credit Mr. Ganesh account rupees 25,000. The journal entry is debit purchase account rupees 25,000 and credit Mr. Ganesh account rupees 25,000. Okay friends, you can see that step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. In this particular transaction, two accounts are involved. One is purchase account and number 2 is Mr. Ganesh account. This is credit transaction. Please keep in mind. Now we'll see the explanation. First we'll see purchase account. Purchase account is a expenses of the business which under comes in nominal account. What nominal account rule says? Debit all the expenses of the business. What nominal account rule says? Debit all the expenses of this business. In this transaction, purchases is a expenses of the business. So as per the nominal account rule say, purchase account should be debited because purchase is a expenses rupees 25,000 debited. Okay. Now we'll see why Mr. Ganesh account is credited, because Mr. Ganesh is a giver of the business. Mr. Ganesh is a giver of the business and he is under comes in personal account. Mr. Ganesh is under comes in personal account. What personal account rule say? Credit the giver. What personal account rule say? Credit the giver of the business. In this credit transaction, Mr. Ganesh is a creditor. In this credit transaction, Mr. Ganesh is a creditor who is responsible for supplies of the goods or services to the business on credit basis. Mr. Ganesh is a creditor who is responsible for the supplies of the goods or services to the business on credit. Please keep in mind, on credits. He is giving goods and services to the business on credit basis. So, as per the personal control, Mr. Ganesh account should be credited because Mr. Ganesh is a giver. What personal account will say? Credit the giver. In this particular transaction, Mr. Ganesh is a giver. That's why Mr. Ganesh account rupees 25,000 here credited. Thank you so much friends. Please keep watching, supporting yours Karthik Balaraman. Bye bye.